bought this loop from loopcrate.com. Also, if you're a beginner, make sure you put the BPM on point.
Like me.
Damn, I'm too close to the mic. Let's loop for clap. This one. If you wanna copy and place, you hold it harder, then you hold it harder again, and then it's already sounded like a professional did it. Me. Now let's put this sound that sound like chichi. I'm gonna name them hi-hats. You know.
So that was a lie.
Now let's add some kicks.
I wanna kick somebody's butt with this beat.
Now there's a little trick I've learned. I beg you don't turn off body. This is a trigger for me and you. Now I'm gonna copy the same pattern from the kicks and put it on the perks. Now let's play the full track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and watch. Think down under the comments, the comment section, and like.